Okay, for the LED lighting, again, this is our register layout, and if we stub out electrical at the top of this cabinet, we will need electrical stubbed out at a minimum of right there, say 82 3/4 off the floor. And then as far as left and right positioning, that's the wall width. So the center of this cabinet, center from left, is 21. So from this wall to the center is 21. It's 12 inches off the wall and 18 wide. So it's not critical that it's 21 on center, but it just needs to be within, say, 13 inches from the wall. So if that's 13, we've got a range of, say, 13 to 29 to stub that out at. Same thing for this, 13 to 29 and 82 3/4 off the floor. Let me know. Thanks.